what do these private equity investors want to know? What is the market you are trying to capture? How does it appear? So if today somebody says that I want to basically become the largest retail mall player in the country, looking at the overall environment of retail, the private equity investors are going to have 100 questions. But if tomorrow somebody says that I want to become the good residential or affordable housing player in this country, then they would say, okay, this is the kind of thing is market to hai. So then they would have probably 50 questions. But somebody wants to do retail and somebody today wants to do only IT parks, they would have several questions because they want to know whether you have understood the market and what niche of that market you want to capture. Okay. Otherwise your normal discussion happens with your friends and relatives. जिसको तुम बोलते हैं एक मॉल खोल देते हैं अपने पास अच्छी लैंड है और खत्म हो जाता है बोलता है तू है ना तू कर ले सब कुछ फिर कितना पैसा चाहिए तेरे को बोल. But that discussion does not happen over here. How are you going to address the need? How different you are than your competitors and what is the value addition to the customer? So like a normal regular business plan, we have also have to give competition scan and then what difference we are bringing to the market and what is the value addition we are going to do for a customer. What is the size of the market that we are proposing, whether it's a growing market or whether it's a reducing market. What is the uniqueness of your project, how long will its uniqueness last and is it easy to imitate. Like today you may say, okay, I am coming with the biggest mall in say city like Thane. Tomorrow they would say there are 50 sites in Thane where people can make a mall. Okay, and everybody would have a vantage point and everybody would have this. So why to fund a mall? Because there are 50 things can come. Okay, 50 plots are there. Out of that 10 plots, people will at least think about it. So uniqueness is something what you have to provide. Or otherwise at least how much share you will able to grab in spite of all odds is something what they want to know. Nobody wants to lose their money. So minimum guarantee of success is something what people want to ensure out of this. What are the resources you will require for the plan? What do you need to make and deliver your project and services to the market in terms of technology, fund, people and partnerships. Like for that matter, they would like to have a look at your banking relationships. So the moment your HDFC and ICICI are your banking partners, then they are comfortable. Like for example, one of the funds what we are in good terms with, these are all our ex-ICICI bank people. They fund only those developers who are funded by HDFC and ICICI, period. If HDFC and ICICI is not your financing agency, they don't even consider your proposal. Because they understand one thing, that HDFC and ICICI has scrutinized and given date to these people. Means they have done their certain level of preparation is already there. Okay? Rest of the people they don't even consider. Like SBI से funding continuously ले रहा है, तो ठीक है, हम नहीं करेंगे. So there are some certain ideas what these people have over years of experience they have in their mind and accordingly they work. What are the systems and processes being adopted? How would I get the progress reports for my invest? This is a very important part for us. Rest of the things the developer will able to still do, but giving the progress report and systems and processes, how he is adopting, what sort of ideas he has, that is important and that is when we start coming into picture. What are the risks and rewards involved? That is, what are the investment risks and profits in this venture? What is the plan B in case the plan A fails? What is in me and for my investors? Now private equity investors are of 2-3 types. Some people are basically managing a single man's fund. Okay, single person like Brunei Sultan, he is funding. So Brunei Sultan and the only person who is asking questions. But in some cases there are HNI, high net worth individuals come together, they fund. So there are 10 people who basically will be asking questions. Some cases the bank's private equity arm is there. So the bank is responsible for its balance sheet money. So the shareholders are responsible. Or in some cases, it is a pension fund like CalPERS and all, they are very big pension funds they operate. And for a pension fund, then they have to probably answerable to lakhs of their customers or millions of their customers are basically in turn will be asking questions to the private equity investors. Or other team, they will be asking questions. So depending upon from where I am coming, the money I am coming and I am answerable to, I want my developer to remain answerable to me. And to that too in that intensity. What steps a developer should take before seeking a private equity investment? Get complete control of the land parcel. Nobody loves the last minute surprises. Now in India, we can always tell them that title is like this. We have taken all the precaution. Everything we have taken care of. Something may crop. But that something should not crop up in every project. So using your experience, you should take only those projects to the private equity guy where you know that something at the last moment is not going to come. Okay, there are some unsafe proposals also where you know your friends will actually trust you because they know that 1-2 साल लग सकता है इसके अंदर. Private equity guy has a life of 5 years, 7 years or 9 years. Prepare a complete business plan showing market potential, competition analysis, financial parameters like NPV, IRR, payback period, various things, various benefits you are going to get, ATC and whatever. timelines, risk reward analysis, what is going to be your implementation strategy, that is important, and what are the business networks that you want to have, and also exit strategy. That is very important. How are you proposing to provide exit to a private equity investor? Residential is fairly easy. Projects get sold and so you start giving his money back. But for malls and other things, it has to be first leased, many times revenue share or something. Then what you do? Then you try to find another private equity investor who may sometimes come and take over because it's a complete project. So then that is one of the idea. Sometimes getting listed is also an idea where you get listed and so the guy can sell his shares and go out when if you want to. Put structures, systems and reporting mechanisms in place. That is where we come into picture, providing ERP services, and leave implementation to expert. Don't do everything. Like for example, developers today, earlier they used to do everything from land acquisition up to construction. They used to even distribute cement and steel to their contractors. Everything they were controlling, and the contractors were largely like a labor contractor. Okay, so the contractors are only arranging labors, or in some cases they used to even keep labors on their roll, and the contractors were largely supervisors like that. But from that particular position, developers have started understanding this, that their core responsibility today is acquiring land, getting the permissions, putting everything in place, and even marketing also they are outsourcing today. Many of the developers, they want to outsource marketing. So the expert marketing agencies are there who take care of residential project, take commission, and everything is taken care of. You just need keep a PR people at the side, public relation people, rest of the things are taken care of. So they are understanding this. See, this development industry is very, very strange. We guys joined developers, but doing a job for a developer 15 years back was not considered a kind of a very good option. So developers are always going to find getting quality people is a problem. So if you implement packages, if you have solutions, then small number of people can do more